USPS! Oh, guys. Whoa, undercover van. Guys, an American Airlines tail. Whoa. Guys, look at this Condor Airlines. Oh, my God. Look at this fucking tail. Oh, my God. So that was a beech livery. It's a condor, so that's what I spotted. That was the Airbus A330. The wings were so large. It reminds me of the Airbus A330. Air traffic controller. Hi guys. Guys, look, Virgin Atlantic A350. Guess what? A lot of JetBlues. And look, on Emirates A380. Emirates Airways A380. No way. Pesky. Guys, there goes an American Airlines over there. You see the tail? That's an American Airlines. I think it's Airbus A321. Amazon! FedEx! Toyota. Look at these 3 FedEx trucks. 1 over here, 2 and 3. 3 FedEx trucks. No way. 3 FedEx trucks at the same time. No way. Hey, FedEx! Another one. Guys, no, it's just oh, that was a close. United Airlines. That was it. 737. That is so fucking close. I can't even lie. Guys, there goes a, and there's a USPS truck, and look at this close. Holy sh! Yeah. Ow! That's close. So close as hell. I'm not gonna lie, it's so close.